Welcome back to this channel. I want to start talking specifically about affiliate marketing, all the things that I know about affiliate marketing, and show you proof on a daily, weekly basis in each video that I make a full-time income with. Specifically, how you can also do the same thing. So that's why you want to join this channel. Make sure that if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, because you're going to get real, authentic content, not fluff, not theory-based, where I'm trying to copy other people. I'm actually going to teach you what I know about affiliate marketing, how to get free traffic, and what it really takes from a mental and motivational standpoint, how you can actually succeed in this business that most people do not succeed in. I'm going to be answering, is affiliate marketing worth it in 2025? And I'm going to show you my honest results. I want to qualify myself by going into my accounting software. It's called 10-Minute Accounts. You can see that we've made over $518,000, and my accounting is not updated. I'm looking at, this is probably more like $540,000, $550,000 at this point from affiliate marketing. I usually get paid into PayPal or directly into my bank account. And so then I funnel all that into this software, and it gives transactions where you can actually come in here. You can see impact affiliate income. I'm going to show you that's $109,000 right there. Software affiliate commission, $61,000. JVZoo, $51,000, Warrior Plus, $45,000, YouTube partner income, $43,000, school community membership right there, Warrior Plus vendor sales right there. Most of these commissions are affiliate based. As you get going in this business, you're going to want to create your own digital products, your own courses, and sell those as well. When you build an audience, affiliate marketing is about building an audience as well. Those are all the important factors. In this video, I kind of want to just break the barriers and be realistic for you on how you can get started with affiliate marketing. And is it really worth it? Well, right off the bat, I think you can tell that I'm going to say that it is worth it still, because it's 2025 and we've made over $500,000 in affiliate marketing in just the last 5 years since I've been doing this full time. So I've been able to do affiliate marketing, leave my corporate day job as a materials director, making good income. I do have a college degree. I could be out there in corporate America having a real job like most people. But 5 years ago, during the pandemic, when it was getting really deep into the pandemic, instead of digging my heels deeper into my job and kind of feeling like, oh, please, I don't want to lose my job, things like that, which a lot of people were scared of, I actually took the risk at that point, left my job where many people were losing their jobs. So in a sense, there is also an aspect of affiliate marketing that you do at some point have to go all in and take some risk. Without risk, there is no reward. And I do believe that you have to identify if you're a risk taker or not. And if you really don't like stepping out of your comfort zone at all, and you're not a risk taker, then I think affiliate marketing might not be for you. To get to the point where you're in the top 1% or making a full-time living with affiliate marketing or doing YouTube, you're going to have to be a risk taker. You're going to have to, at some point, take the leap. Maybe you set a goal. Once I'm making $2,000 a month, I'm going to leave my job. If you have a spouse, you want to set that goal with your spouse. Come up with a number that feels good for you. If you're single, you might be able to take that risk faster or easier. If you don't have a family you're taking care of, obviously, I'm not telling you to quit your job, but you do need to evaluate. If you absolutely hate the thought of not having a paycheck in 2 weeks that you don't have any control over, right? Because this is affiliate marketing is a sales-based business, and it's going to come in waves. Sometimes you're going to make way more money than you can make at a day job, and other times you might make a little less. But there is no ceiling on what you can do with affiliate marketing, because there's millionaires out there, 8-figure earners, affiliate marketers. Believe it or not, I'm in the top 1%, even with this kind of income, making 6 figures a year with affiliate marketing. Most people that try affiliate marketing don't ever hit 6 figures per year doing it, okay? And so I want to get back into the presentation, and I'm kind of showing you proof of affiliate income specifically. I showed you my account, and there's a lot of different money coming into there, but most of it is affiliate marketing. But we come in here and we start looking at some other things. Like right over here, I sell software. Impact.com is a great place to sign up as an affiliate. Under Discover, we can find brands or products that we want to promote. And we can come over here and it's going to go and open up the library where we can look at different companies and filter by companies and brands. And you can go and it'll tell you the percentage that you get and so forth. You can come through here and go based on category right over here. They have like, dozens of categories. They have software, all kinds of good stuff right over here, right? Physical products and so forth. You can filter this out by category. You can also go based on your own kind of your niche or whatever. Like if you're in the health and fitness niche or a keto niche or something like that, you can find companies that you can link up with, become an affiliate, and then put that affiliate link in your traffic strategy methods and start driving traffic and making conversions. You can see 7,551 rows. So there's over 7,500 companies you can apply to be an affiliate with. Now we come over here to reports and go to report by day. And then I'll just kind of go and look, what have we made in this account just this year? I'll go to this year, apply, and we'll be able to see that we've got $16,500 that we've made. It's very steady. It's not my number one earner, but it makes me a couple $1,000s per month. I'm happy with this. And we can keep showing you some more proof right over here. So if I log into Warrior Plus, so I'm showing you totally different niches. The impact over here is going to be what you would think of as big brand companies, legitimate companies, and so forth. And I'm able to make steady income, and some would call a full-time income just from this alone. But then we can jump into the make money online, internet marketing, affiliate marketing space. This is all about making money online. You can see the product of the day over here, Sick of Funnels, Clients and Ads. Here's my $4 million shortcut. And you can see that I haven't even promoted this. I promoted one product in the last 30 days and I was able to bring in $7,400. If I hover over that, you can see that affiliate sales. So these are affiliate commissions that are going to be paid into my bank account, $7,379 from the last 30 days. Most of this was made in about 7 days because I promoted a software that really took off and did a great job. And you can just see the affiliate sales come in. It's been very steady, almost $100 to $200 a day, every single day right there, and so forth. So this is another account that we are doing a good job on. I want to show you another program that I think of it as affiliate marketing because essentially you're creating videos. You can put links in any of your social media platforms or YouTube and send to Amazon, which is an affiliate program. Someone buys something, you get paid. This is the Amazon Influencer Program, and I haven't uploaded any videos in 2 years, and we've still made $500 from this year right here. And so if I come over here and just look at the last 30 days, I mean, it's active. We make money almost on a daily basis right here. This is something that you could turn into a full-time business and making thousands per month. And this is kind of like on my back burner. This is something that I use as a lifeline if I ever needed to. I've already gone through all the hard steps. I've been approved as an Amazon influencer. I've got videos created and published. I'm making steady money on here. But if I wanted to blow this up as a business, I have a lot of strategies that I could go full-blown into and turn this into thousands of dollars per month. And I know, and I have full confidence that I can do that, but this is just not when I can put out a video. And to be completely honest, this is why you want to subscribe to this channel and pay attention, because to make this kind of money, the $7,400, I created one YouTube video. I put that YouTube video out there and then I sent one email to my email list. That is it. I did all that inside of 1 hour. It only took me 1 hour to do that. As you can see, I'm not paying a lot of money for video editing. I'm not doing anything fancy, right? And on the channel that I make all this money and do affiliate marketing, I'm not even on camera. It's a faceless YouTube channel. Very simplistic videos. You can still create very strong audiences. You can choose to be on camera like I am on this channel. I want this to be a little bit more personable. I want you to get to know me as well. The way that I teach this, you don't have to be on camera. You can just record your screen and get a microphone, and that's it. You can get started for free. But essentially, why would I go and bust my butt creating hundreds of videos to make a couple $1,000s a month when I can spend 1 hour of my time if I know that the product is a good product that's going to resonate with my audience, and I can publish that video for spend no money at all and make over $7,000? That's the power of affiliate marketing. When you finally build an affiliate marketing business, that's the power when you finally build a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. Is affiliate marketing worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely. You're crazy to think that it's not. You just have to sometimes think outside the box, maybe try to be a little bit different than your competitors. But at the end of the day, I really want to get into the difference between the top 1% earners, what has led to my success, and why I see a lot of my students not make it into the point where they're even making hundreds of dollars a month. People give up way too early. Now I want to come over here and show you the numbers. I typed in Google percentage of YouTube channels that make a full-time income, right? According to Medium, an estimated 0.3%. So not even a half of a 1%, right? So we're not even at half of 1%, less than that, basically a quarter of 1%. So you're talking about 99.75, almost 99.9% of YouTube channels out there are not making a full-time income. And that's based off of other monetization methods on the channel as well, like affiliate marketing, Patreon support, and YouTube monetization. At the end of the day, it's 1% or less. Why less than 1% of YouTubers make money? Okay. So my largest channel doesn't even have 20,000. We're approaching 20,000 subscribers on the channel now. It's taken me 4.5 years to even to get the 20,000. I'm proud of the 20,000 subscribers. But here's the deal. There are channels out there that have 1 million subscribers that I guarantee have not made as much money as I have made. So that proves you do not need a giant channel to make money as an affiliate on YouTube. You do not need to have these channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers or millions, right? I think that people often set unrealistic expectations. They'll come into my community, and I want to talk about my community in a minute as well. This is the Six Figure Freedom Club. This is where I teach you all about YouTube and affiliate marketing, how to get free traffic, how to build a real audience, how you can do this without being on camera, how you can create videos in under an hour, set a publishing schedule between 3 and 5 videos per week, and actually build a real business. The exact steps broken down. You don't have to watch a 10-hour course. The course is like 1 or 2 hours long. We come in here to the classroom. You're going to get started with the YT Affiliate Blueprint, and you're going to go and just watch 10 lessons right here. It has all the information that you need in order to start your business. You want to go and sign up for this because I'm going to go ahead and raise the price to this. I'm thinking $67 a month or $97 a month. I want people that are serious about their business, that really want to work with me, really want to ask me real questions, and want to work hard for themselves and be a part of a community that supports them. And overall, I think the most important thing is learning from somebody that is out there with you in the trenches and knows how to build an audience on YouTube, knows how to get real free, organic, targeted traffic, and how to actually build a business in pretty much any niche as well. This does not have to be software reviews or anything like that. It can be in any niche that you want. The formula works for everybody. This is just $27 per month. We have 2 live Zoom calls per month. They're mostly Q&As. You can ask me anything. They're recorded. They're uploaded. Really good stuff right here. $27. I'm going to leave this open for the rest of the month of July, and then that's it. I'm going to be raising the prices. So this is the time. Get in right now. I want to try to get to 100 members, and then I'm going to be raising the price. So this is your chance to come in here. There is a ton of content. I have a case study right here where I teach you. I go from a channel having 0 subscribers all the way up to over 1,000 subscribers and getting about 17, 18,000 views per month. I show you exactly how to do it from video 1, upload your first 20 or 30 videos, and turn this into a real business. We have all the live Zoom calls since 2023, answering anything you can think of about affiliate marketing, how to create your courses and sell your own digital products. We've got all kinds of good stuff. Then we have another course over here as well. And then you get 2 bonuses, PLR Profits Academy and Small YouTube Big Profits as well. A lot to come in here. And then I like to come in here to the community and I go over here. I have another call coming up tomorrow as well. If you see this video today and you want to be a part of that call, join today for just $27. You can get on that Zoom. We look at quick wins. This is my favorite section. I had $11,000 sitting in my PayPal account yesterday. So I share this with the community as a motivation for you to see what's possible when you run a business online that you're serious about. Sometimes I just log in. I was expecting like $3,000 or $4,000 in there. I had $11,000 in my PayPal. So then I sent that to my bank. Then we have all these different ones like $883 in commissions right there. We had another $151 commission right here from just a software, unexpected commissions. And then we have $1,600 in one day. You can see $1,600 in one day right there, $600 so far that day. Sponsored videos, there's a lot of stuff. And we have people inside the community getting results as well. Bettina is sharing $215 right here, selling with affiliate marketing as well. And we have Ali hit his first 100 subs on his channel as well. So we do have success inside of here. I'd love to have you join the just click the first link below. Come join us. $27 before the price raises to $67 or $97. So when you come in and you join Six Figure Freedom Club, you want to set a realistic expectation. Hey, can I make $100 with affiliate marketing in my first month, right? I want to create 20 videos this month or 15 or whatever it's going to be. Set a realistic goal of how many videos you think you can create. Once you create about 10 videos, it's going to become a habit. You're going to get in a skill that you get better at. You're going to be able to crank them out in an hour or less. I show you how to create a content plan so you have your next 30 videos lined up, so you're not sitting there for 30 minutes wondering, what do I create next? It's all going to be lined up for you. Even if you have a busy schedule and you're a family man and you have your day job and you want to do this on the side, that is fine. That works totally fine. If you have 45 minutes or an hour to designate to this, I recommend an hour a day, at least 4 days a week. You can build a real side hustle income and turn it into a full-time income at some point. I'm asking that you are able to designate 4 to 6 hours per week in this business to help grow a YouTube channel, help grow your affiliate marketing business. I can get you started with that. Set realistic income goals and set realistic publishing goals, right? So if you can only do 3 videos a week, that's fine. 3 times 4 is 12. So you can still get 12 videos out per month. That's more than most channels. You're still going to grow at a rapid speed. You're going to get monetized eventually. You're going to be making money for every video you upload. Then you're going to be making money from people for showcasing products that you use and for people clicking on your affiliate links and start making money as well. But then I want you to set a realistic income goal as well. Don't come in and say, hey, I want to make $5,000 my first month when you haven't even made your first 1,000 or your first 100. Be realistic first, and then we'll go after the bigger income. Hopefully I kind of encapsulated what affiliate marketing can be in 2025 for you. I showed you real world results. I showed you multiple accounts that I make money on, multiple different strategies, Warrior Plus, Amazon. We've got Impact Radius. There's so many more, probably 20 other things I could log into and show you income sources. But I think you get the point, right? Somebody that is staying up to date with affiliate marketing and YouTube, doing something totally different. Everybody else is teaching you to go and create a faceless YouTube channel about top 5 animals or top 5 dogs, create these history channels and create AI images and spend all your time doing that. And I've tried all. Those have not worked for me. But what has worked for me is recording my screen and giving real value in a specific niche about a specific product or about a specific tip or about a specific niche. And then continuing to be consistent on a weekly basis, uploading content, building a real audience. Because when you're answering real questions and you're a real person, it doesn't matter if you're on camera, then they subscribe. As you get going and you get more subscribers and you're creating valuable content, YouTube will recommend more of your videos to a broader audience. Your subscribers will tune in and get notifications more often. And then each video, you'll get more and more views, and your business starts growing that way. The best part is that you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars in video editing and go out there and waste your money on Fiverr. You also don't have to do it yourself and spend hours editing your video, getting it all nice and neat, and then you publish it, and then it's crickets, and then you don't even get any views, right? I would much rather you spend your time creating a high value video that's simple. People don't care if it has fancy graphics or not, as long as the content is good, and you can have videos up in 1 hour or less. And that is where you can actually start seeing momentum in your business, where you don't feel like you've given an arm and a leg, you've only got 5 videos to show and you haven't made any money. That's where people give up. So thank you so much for your time. Hopefully this answered the question, is affiliate marketing worth it in 2025? Absolutely it is. I've made over $500,000 with affiliate marketing. I'm on track to continue to make about $150,000 this year in affiliate marketing. Come join me in the Six Figure Freedom Club. Let's have a conversation, get you on the right track to building that real side hustle income you've been looking for. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.